get my snacks situated. I don't want them to go flying, because I'm about to be flying. Let's go. Let's go. Get that smoke. There's an Escalade. There's an Escalade that tried to get in the mix between. Well, the Escalade was really pushing the Charger, and I decided to pass them both up. And now the Escalade's back there, trying to weave in and out of traffic, trying to catch up, but it ain't working. I know he's hella mad right now. Oh, he's hella mad. Because he was revving at the Charger at the stoplight. He was revving, trying to get up in him. Oh, shit. Yo, turn off your fucking brights. Those were not HIDs. Those were definitely bright lights. Alright, y'all, so Gotham Hemi's last ride with the current exhaust has come to an end. That's it. Next time I fire her up, give her a cold start, will be to take her into the muffler shop. What's good, everybody? Mr. J here, and today's mod day. Today's a mod day that I've been looking for a really long time. I'm stupid excited. If you can't tell, calm down. Calm down. But I am stupid excited because this mod has been long overdue. And we're finally getting it done, man. We are on the way out to the muffler shop to get this mid muffler deleted, man. Waking up on my day off early, waking up early in general is not something that I do very well, but I pretty damn near jumped out of the bed today. Yeah, I'm just that excited, man. Truly gonna awaken the Hemi. Neighbors are gonna be extra mad because we already have a straight pipe catless Hellcat Challenger. You already know they already exhausted with car noise just from that damn T-Rex that be going off in the middle of the night every single night. And I'm only about to add to it. Not gonna be anywhere near as loud though, so they can get over themselves. But we about to pull in, man. About to run in there, talk to these guys, see what's good. I see 2 vehicles in the lot. Hopefully they're not being worked on. One looks like it's, the bay is full. Dang it. Fuck. If they can't get to it today, I might not be able to get it done this week. Damn. We in here. The wait is on. All right, y'all. So, we did it. I'm still in the parking lot. I haven't not peeled off yet. I've only heard it fire up 2 times. Owner had me distracted talking about Jordans. I was trying my best, you know, not to be rude and try to be obsessed with the car, because I really like Jordans too, so I didn't mind having the conversation, but I didn't make an attempt to get any footage, so well, this guy's waiting, so okay. Woo-hoo-hoo. I'm a fan though. I am a fan. Man, I need to find an open road. I need to peel it back. About to go pick up the wife and the kids. We're gonna have to do some driving today, man. We're gonna have to do some driving. Maybe, you know what? What I think I'll do is exactly what I'll do. We're gonna go out, we're gonna do something today. I don't even know what it is. I'm gonna get her to come in the car with me. I'm gonna record her reactions. I'm gonna see how long it takes for her to realize what just got done. My guess is it'll take a little bit. She won't notice right away. I think the only thing that she'll probably notice is whatever they use, the air freshener or the cleaner that they use once they're done. That's got a very distinct smell that just hit me right away. But yeah, let's do this. Let's shoot a surprise video with my wife. See how long it take for her to realize that Gotham Hemi has been awoken. Hitting the record button of your face. Sun's trying to come out.
So like, how about chocolate and vanilla?
Saying the same thing.
Shut up. So what am I supposed to be reacting to?
What's up ahead? I thought you said Tina was on Snapchat.
She was on Snapchat.
It's a no-no. This guy peeing.
Taking a break on top of a mailbox.
I'm just sitting there in my room one day, and I heard her run up the stairs. You know, I hear her at the window, looking out the window. I already know what she's doing. I don't even know. She's watching people back there in the back.
Yeah.
All of a sudden, I hear the window open. The next thing I hear is, I can see you. I'm like, what the fuck? Turns out the guy is pissing in a bush. She couldn't leave a poor man alone.
I would probably do that.
Just went off the side of the street right there to handle his business. And then my mom went minded everybody's business. Mustang guy was talking to me about V6.
And you said that's cute.
He's like, yeah, I'm thinking about going to a Challenger, bumping up to get the V8.
Nice.
Yeah, it's my midlife crisis car.
That's like a
your
high school girl car.
Your V6 is exactly what I thought. I was like, your V6 Mustang is your midlife crisis car.
You got the wrong job.
A lot of high school teenagers' dream car. Like
Teenage girls.
Their tangible dream car. They're already driving that thing. He's like, I got cherry bombs on mine right now. It's this way, but I'm trying to get her to sound a little more aggressive. I was like, really? More aggressive. Sounded like a Honda. It sounded like a Honda.
But does he work with you? How did you start talking to him? Was it at a gas station or something?
No, rando.
Okay. Shocking for
His brother.
you. Still a person that you don't talk to.
More open to talking to brothers than anything.
That's fair.
So you haven't figured it out yet.
Am I supposed to be doing it? Did you make your car loud?
Oh, come on.
Did you get the straight pipes on it? Of course you did. I had a feeling you did something to make it louder, and that's why the music wasn't on.
You know what? I don't care what we're gonna do. We're gonna get in the car. We're gonna go somewhere, and I'm gonna shoot a reaction video because I'm quite certain it's gonna take her for a long while to get there. And it took 20 minutes.
Well, I don't listen to your damn car. I'm not as obsessed with your car as you are.
There you guys go. 20 minutes.
Fuck off.
20 minutes for her to realize the exhaust was too